hello. As you can see, we're in front of my beautiful garage.
Nice.
There's one small dilemma we have. You see this thing dangling? Believe it or not, it shouldn't be like this. We have to cut this board out. We have a hammer drill. Now, here's the dilemma. It needs plugged in. There is absolutely no plugs anywhere. Three extension cords was the perfect number. Look at that bird poop on the side of my truck. It looks like a freaking human. That's how big it is. Look at that. That's enormous. Time for the grand moment of truth. It's a beautiful thing.